award-winning singer Anita Baker is being accused again of not paying her bills. This time it's her own lawyer who wants to drag her into court.
7 Action News investigator Heather Catallo first broke this story on WXYZ.com today. She joins us now with the very latest. Heather?
Well, it was just a few months ago that Anita Baker's attorney was telling us his client was wrongly accused of failing to pay a local painter more than 15 grand. Now that same attorney says the singer now owes him thousands of dollars, and he's not the only one.
It's the same old song for Anita Baker. The 8-time Grammy Award-winning singer is being accused once again of running up a bill and refusing to pay it.
She just does not want to pay.
She's got the money.
She has the money.
Rochester attorney Jamal Hammoud recently represented Baker, but now he's suing her for $150,000, alleging she owes him for more than a year of work.
I was at her beck and call 24/7. I mean, she would call me when I was on vacation. She would call me over the weekends and text me and email me. And if I didn't respond immediately, she would become furious.
Hammoud helped Baker narrowly avoid a stint in jail back in March when he worked to get a bench warrant that had been issued against her dismissed. The reason for the warrant? A local painter got a default judgment against the singer, accusing her of failing to pay more than $15,000 for work done at her Grosse Pointe mansion. At the time, Hammoud told us Baker did not pay the bill because she felt the work was shoddy. Now Hammoud says he's learned this star singer has a lengthy history of leaving her lawyers and her contractors in the lurch.
She was developing sort of a pattern of trying to lure them in, get them to do additional work, and then not pay for that work.
In this lawsuit just filed in Wayne County Circuit Court, Hammoud says Baker was supposed to pay him $85,000 a year to be her vice president of operations. In this email from Baker to Hammoud acknowledging the position, she writes that she was so happy to hire him, saying, quote, "Yay, yes, you have always been on board." But Hammoud says Baker owes him nearly $69,000 for salary, travel, and other expenses. He says she did give him these 2 checks in July, totaling $30,000, but they did not clear.
She didn't pay me for anything that I did for her in 2014.
Hammoud's lawsuit alleges Baker has refused to pay at least 5 other lawyers, and the 7 investigators have learned there are other local attorneys who have sued Baker, alleging the singer won't pay them either. Hammoud hopes this lawsuit will strike a chord with Baker.
I really like Anita. I want the best for her, and I'm hoping that through this case that maybe we'll wake her up and make her realize that she can't keep doing this to people.
I have contacted Anita Baker. So far, she has not responded to our questions. A court date is scheduled for January.
If she's got to go to court, she's obviously looking for a lawyer.
Absolutely. She will need one once she gets to court, and it will be interesting to see who she'll be able to hire. If you look at her record in the courts for several years now, not only has she been sued by several of her own attorneys in the past for not paying her bills, there are many requests from other lawyers asking to withdraw from her other cases while their court battle is underway. So there's a very distinct pattern going on.
She may be representing herself.
Maybe.
There you go.